very first question, tell us about the film.
It's a psychological thriller based in one house. It was something which was there in my mind for a very long time. I wanted to see the story. So it's basically about this professor who is trapped in his own house, and it's more about the story is more about how the criminal mind travels.
Okay, the casting plays a very important part. On what ground you zero down the star cast of the film?
Mana was always there in my mind when I wrote this film, so I wrote this for Mana, and then after that, Jyotsna has done the casting for the film. So we got some references, we got some crucial performances from the actors past, and we zeroed down them, and then we started meeting them and taking some auditions about the role, and then we did.
Please make me correct if I'm wrong somewhere. Have we taken the film to the festivals?
Yeah. We had our world premiere at Mavi this year, and then we went to New York South Asian International Film Festival. Then we are doing 2-3 more festivals right now. One is Bangalore International Film Festival, where the film is playing in World Cinema category.
Okay, please let me know what is the most interesting part of the film. As you said, it's a thriller. What is the most interesting part of the film which you feel as a director?
Me?
Yes.
The entire film is special to me, so I can't figure out one part. But I can't figure out one part that is a favorite part and good part. But I like the entire film.
Apart from this, what your strategy to release the film and how many theatre in India?
No, we are not going to theatres. We are going live on digital Netflix tomorrow, 1st Feb, and we are also available on iTunes. So we chose not to go to theatre because of the distribution system. They don't help and support independent cinema that much. So
there's so many independent houses. For example, you can go to Anurag Kashyap, you can go to Phantom.
They're not independent houses, they're already studios now. So
of course they're studio, but they're the people who are supporting newcomers.
Yeah, but
instead of going for the Netflix and all, why didn't you try it?
No, I never tried that, and I'm glad that I never tried that. I wanted my own way out. So
okay, how's the response at the moment with the people who came in, who saw your films? I'm
glad they all liked it, and they are thinking about the end because it's an open-end film. So they are thinking about the end. They're talking about the film. So I got a very good response from the audiences.
What message do you want to give the audience? Why they come and be a part of your film?
From this film? Yes. I don't want to give any message from this film.
No. What I'm saying is, what message do you want to give to the audience? Why they come and be a part of your film?
Because it's something different, what Indian audience are not used to watch, and it's all about how criminal mind travels, and it's very exciting to show, to see your darkest fantasy on screen. So that's the reason people should watch it.
Why Manav is not present?
Manav's dad, he has just lost his dad this morning, so he has gone to Indore, so he's not here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.